So guys, if you also want to make some cool stickman animations like this, stick around till the video end and I'll show you how you're gonna do it. So hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. Hope you all doing well. Let's get started in another tutorial. If you wanna make cool animation stickman animations like the previous one I showed, just follow me and let's do this. Download this software so that you can make cool stickman animations like I did before. So this is the app's name. It's called Pivot Animator. This app is free. It's for just beginners animators so that you can bloom your talent out. So let's download. Hit on the download button. You can load your own objects, stickmans and backgrounds and explore your range of animation. Just download Pivot Animator and start download, and it's just around 2 MB or something. It will download in a couple of seconds. After the download is complete, head over to your downloads folder and the place where you have downloaded your program. I have got my Pivot Animator over here, so double click on it and start the installation. Select the language you want and I'll select English and click on next. It will load up some seconds and click on next, and you can, it's your wish up to you if you want a McAfee web advisor or not. I will decline it. Then later the wizard downloads and optimizes necessary packages for the animation, the cool animations you make. This is just a step forward to your animating career, who knows. After the installation is complete, click on the finish button and you have this tick on launch the application on exit and finish. Click finish and the application will launch itself. Let me explain some basic UI of the application, what the things do. This application is very minimal and good for beginners. I say it's very best for beginners. So what you got to do is this is your Pivot Animator window, full screen. This is the amount of screen you get. You can just click on file and upload backgrounds and sprite images and figures, and you can select the backgrounds from here. We have got the draw tool, we have got the other delete figure tools, and we have got the size increase and decrease of the figure stickman, and you can move the stickman over here by pressing space. You can create a frame by frame. This is a frame by frame animation, free animation, just to learn the basics of animation, how it goes, how it is done. I have got some master examples which are produced by this software, which are just amazing to watch. Now let's watch this animation which we have made in just couple of seconds. We have made it in 30 seconds. Now let's play this. So the animation does nothing. We have to work on it. That's the video guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Like, share and subscribe to my channel for more updates on tech, and I'll be bringing up some new tech video coming soon. And this was the video about this cool animator app which comes for free. Go guys, get it, download and do whatever you want today.